What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new video. So in this video I am going to review our latest launch from the house of Khadlaj, and here I'm talking about Shiyaaka Snow. And this is an excellent alternative of LV's Meteor. Khadlaj have launched this perfume like 20 days back in Beauty World Middle East 2025. I was there at the launch and I have tried it, and trust me guys, this one is really good, and this is very close to the original Meteor. I can say it's almost there. Yes, there is a difference of like 5 to 10%, but if you see the price difference, it's huge. I have tried LV Meteor in LV's boutique, and trust me guys, it was good. It's not a bad fragrance, but trust me, like paying 1,300 UAE dirhams for 100 ml Meteor and paying like 2,000 dirham for 200 ml of Meteor was like, for me it was not justified. But I can understand people who go to LV. They are not stupid fraggarts like us. They have a lot of money. People who are shopping there, who are going to shop their bags and shoes and whatever. So they are rich people, of course. They are blessed people, and those people, I don't think they know a lot about fragrances, and I'm sure they have never been to these small Middle Eastern perfume shops, and I'm sure they have never tried Latafa or these kind of fragrances. Maybe few of them have tried, but mostly once you are filthy rich, you always go for the brand, and you always go for the best things in the world, and you don't have time to search for alternatives and all that. So yeah, from that perspective, it's okay. LV can make very simple, and I can say it's more than simple kind of fragrances, and those people will buy. But people like us, we have to be very careful. So 1,300 dirham for Meteor was not justified for me. So Khadlaj have solved the issue, and they have launched Shiyaaka Snow, which I have told you earlier is almost there, is very similar. So let's start a review, and I'm going to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. And I've already told you that this is very similar to the original one. So you will get this perfume in this beautiful white box. You can see the branding and packaging here. This is silver with the name of the collection Shiyaaka, and the name of the perfume Snow, the logo of Khadlaj on the top, production date, some markers here in the bottom, and then here in the back a lot of beauty details and your notes breakdown here, top, mid and base. So this is the box, simple paper box, but the designing and everything is nice. The bottle looks beautiful. I saw some people complaining on Fragrantica that this bottle hurts like our hands. Come on, what's your hands are made of what? Cotton? It's fine, it's absolutely fine. There's nothing to hurt you, see? And why you are pushing it so hard at a point where it start hurting you? It's a nice and beautiful bottle. See, there is like frosted glass here, and this white nice plastic cover, and the cap here is made of plastic also. Nice atomizer and smells very nice. So this is about the presentation. This is the bottle, this is the box. It looks very nice, really. It's very refreshing. Even by the look, it looks very refreshing. And now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown from Khadlaj's website, and then we will talk about the scent profile. So here in the top you will get mandarin, orange, citrus notes, bergamot. So a lot of citruses. In the middle you will get neroli, nutmeg, pink pepper. In the base, Indonesian vetiver oil and cardamom. So this is the official notes breakdown of Snow. And now let me tell you that how this one actually smells. So first of all, it's very bright, it's very fresh, it's refreshing, it's going to open your eyes in the morning. It's that kind of scent, because there is a lot of neroli here. So neroli, it gives you that barbershop kind of feel, that fresh kind of feel. And there are a lot of citruses, and overall vibe is bright. There are some spices here, but it's not dense. It's very airy and uplifting, bright kind of scent profile here. So the first thing you will get in the opening is a mix of some citruses, as I mentioned in the top notes here, in the notes breakdown. You will get Calabrian, bergamot, there is orange. So there is little bit bitterness there, but it's also sweet at the same time. So a little bit bitter and sweet. Then you will get neroli. So neroli is going to give you that very nice, out of the shower, fresh kind of feel here, very bright kind of feel here. And then you will get some cardamom here. So cardamom is going to give you that green, a fresh green herbal touch here. And then comes that pepper. So it's little bit spicy, little bit green, citrusy, fresh kind of scent. And then towards the second phase, vetiver starts to become a little bit prominent. So you will start getting that very nice woody, earthy kind of vibe here in this perfume. Citruses will stay with you from the start till end, but in the second phase, vetiver starts to shine a little bit more. And then in the final dry down, it becomes a very simple, soft, citrusy, soft, woody kind of scent. So this is about the journey of this perfume. It's not complex, it's very easy to wear. You can rock this perfume every day for your office, for your gym, for your sports activities. It's a no-brainer kind of scent. Just pick it in the morning, spray it, and go out for your work. So this is it. Clean, crisp, very fresh and uplifting kind of scent profile. So this was about the fragrance of Shiyaaka Snow. It's very close to LV's Meteor, around 90% I can say, or maybe 90-95%. It's almost there. So if you smell this perfume without comparing it directly side by side with the original Meteor, you will not be able to tell that if it's the original one or not. Trust me, quality blending is very nice here. Of course, once you are going to compare it with the original LV, and with having this thing in your mind that this is Louis Vuitton and this is like an expensive scent, definitely you will get a little bit biased and you will say, oh yeah, there is this some nice quality and nice blending, it's a bit smooth and blah blah blah. But for me, this is working really great. If you smell this perfume alone, it's very good. And if you talk about the other aspects of this perfume, about the performance is really great here. On your dress, it's going to stay more than 10 hours easily. Solid performance is like around 4 to 5 hours. You don't have to refresh it. So if you do like 8 sprays, 6 to 8 sprays, you will be good to go for like next 7-8 hours with solid 5 hours of performance. And after that, if you want, you can refresh it because it's very affordable. And if you talk about gender, a pure masculine scent, but definitely strong independent women, they can try it. But for me, this is going to work well with gents. Age, no barrier. You can use it in any age without any issue. For season or weather, best for summers. Or I can say just keep it for your summers. Don't use this perfume in winters. It's very citrusy, very fresh. And if you talk about the occasion, daily scent in your gyms, in your sports activities, any kind of scenario. You want to smell good, you want to smell clean, you want to smell fresh, Shiyaaka Snow is for you. And now let's talk about the price. So as I have told you earlier, Meteor is like 1,300 dirham in UAE for 100 ml. And here Shiyaaka Snow comes in 100 ml quantity with this beautiful bottle, and the concentration is Eau de Parfum, and you have to pay just 110 UAE dirhams for this beautiful scent. So for 110 UAE dirhams, what else you want? It's a banger. It's a banger. It's a banger. Smells really good and fresh. If you don't want something complex, you are in a mood where you don't want your brain to do a lot of processing, you want something very simple, go with it. So this was about Shiyaaka Snow. I hope you like this review, and I'm going to catch you in another review of some other great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.